Hello everybody. In this video we're going to be showing you guys how to make a Flipgrid, and yours guys, the screen's going to be looking a little bit different than this one. Let me switch it over to what you guys will be seeing. So this is what you'll see when you come onto the first kind of assignment, the first Flipgrid we have posted. It's just talking about introducing yourself. So for this one, we're just having you answer these three following questions of ¿Cómo se llama? ¿De dónde eres? Y ¿cómo puedo ayudarle a mejorar su español? And when you're going into this, and you're wanting to make your first video, you're going to click on this add response. And when you're doing the add response, you're going to see it's going to pop up with like a little video kind of in there. It's going to show you how there's going to be a little circle in the middle showing you like for the recording, to start the recording, there's going to be able to, you're going to be able to do backdrops and everything. It's pretty self-explanatory and it's pretty easy to use. This screen is showing how Flipgrid set up and how the different functions and different buttons that you'll be seeing on your screen. First one is going to be that first big circle in the middle of your screen. That's the record/pause button. That's what you're going to be using to start, pause, kind of whatever you're wanting to do for your video. And then there's some options that you're going to have once you click those little like rectangle of dot rectangle. You're going to have these different options to upload a clip, to use mic only, to mirror your video, etc. As well as there's effects that you can put onto your videos as well, such as like filters. You can add a text, you can add a whiteboard, chalkboard, and everything like that to kind of help kind of make your video as well. And then there's also backdrops that you can use, like blur, or different backdrops you can use for while you're creating your video as well, so that there's not that distraction of whatever's going on around in the background. I'll also link this into this post as well, so you guys have all this to kind of follow along with. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment on this post. But if not, I look forward to seeing your videos in the future.